Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft People for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 6, add a contact to favorites. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this comes for work, school or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Explore all the applications. Now go to Microsoft People. Let's just wait for that to load. And now what we can do is go to Your Contacts. You should have a couple of contacts. If not, follow the previous tutorials. I have demonstrated how to create a contact. Once you've done that, you can come back to this video. And now the main purpose of this tutorial is to add your contact or contacts to the favorites. Why would you want to do this? Well, let's say you have 150 or 1,000 contacts and you want to quickly access the main contacts that you're always conversing with on a regular basis, or you just need some information from there. It would be ideal to add these to the favorites so you can quickly access these contacts. So let's just click on the admin videos contact and now click on add to favorites. As we can now see that the contact itself has a star on there. If I go to favorites, admin will always be there. Go back to contacts. If I click on trial, add to favorites, go to favorites, both these accounts are there. I can remove from favorites. Let's remove trial account, so that's gone. Now let's go back to your contacts and there these two accounts are. So we can now quick Google Chrome, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.